how to uninstall apps on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove an app that you no longer use in your MacBook. So let's dive right in. You can open up this Finder icon in your dock and then go to the Applications tab, and then you can see all of the applications here. Then you can find the app that you want to remove, and then you can just right click on it, and then you can see move to bin option. So you can just tap on move to bin, and then once you do that, to permanently uninstall, you need to go to the trash icon right here. It's on the bottom right hand side, and you can empty the trash. So that's how you uninstall apps on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.